Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome back to a new video. In this video today, we're gonna look at how you can create a beautiful YouTube channel logo with Canva. It's gonna be super easy. So let's look at an example. For example here, TubeBuddy has a beautiful branding logo on his YouTube channel. And TubeBuddy, if you look at Social Blade, it has a lot of subscribers, hundreds of thousands, and make millions of views every single month and make over 20,000 euros every single month. So that's why having a recognizable logo for your YouTube channel, having a brand logo for your YouTube channel is super important, so that people know how to recognize your brand and your channel and your video and click on them and watch them more and more and more. This is my YouTube channel. My name is Alex and I've been on YouTube for many years, and I run multiple different YouTube channels as well. And I'm gonna help you create a beautiful logo right here for your YouTube channel, just like I do, just like TubeBuddy does with Canva today. It's super simple. To edit your YouTube channel logo, you just go to your YouTube channel and then click on the picture. It will take you right here to channel customization, and then under your dashboard, under customization, you can find your channel picture, click on change, and upload the file that we're gonna make today. How do you design this picture with Canva? You simply go to Canva template, canva.com, and there's a template category, and type YouTube logo at the top. You simply search for YouTube logo and you will find many different templates on canva.com that you can use for a beautiful logo. If you have a personal brand, a channel that is a personal brand, then you can use, for example, your own picture, a picture of your own face, your own portrait, basically, just like she does right here as a template. But if you don't really show your face, if it's not your personal brand, if it's a brand account or a business account or a gaming channel account, for example, then you can use any other template that you like as a basis for a YouTube logo on Canva. We're gonna use today this one for a gaming YouTube channel. Simply click on the template that you like on canva.com, simply click on customize this template, and then the template will open right here as a new editable template that you can use. Once we are here with the template that you like, you don't want to use the template one-to-one and import it directly to your channel, right? You want to have something that is personalizable, something that represents your brand, that represents yourself, that represents what your channel is about. And for this, we're gonna add a few design elements. First of all, the background image. The background image, if you don't like it, you can totally change it. You simply go to the right under the element tab and change the background by looking at an image that you would want to use in the background. For example, I just typed tower right here, and I look under photo for a picture of a beautiful tower, a beautiful background that I would want to use for my YouTube channel logo. This can be a beautiful channel background, I think, for a beautiful logo right here. If you don't like this one, with plenty of building and different color, you can choose something else that is a little bit more simple, or a little bit darker, or a little bit brighter, whatever you want as a YouTube channel that would correspond to the design that you would want to use. For example, this one is also very great as a background picture. I like this one actually, with plenty of different buildings. It's modern, it's simple, it's appealing to the eyes, it's engaging as well. And then you would edit the other element as well. For example, we could add under graphic something like a circle, like a shape. You could add a circle in the background. For example, let's see, a red circle. I think a red circle would be great. You simply click on the color that you want to use, place it in the background, right in the middle, and change the dimension. And here you would have a red circle in the background, in the middle part of your YouTube channel logo. This looks great, I believe. I like this. Red and blue, you want a logo that is memorizable, that is recognizable, that people understand what your channel is about. And then we could change the position of the bars at the side and their size as well, where they are placed. For your YouTube logo, you can change the color as well. For example, if you don't like the pink one, you can use orange. For the middle part, we can use something green. just like this one. For the right part, we can use maybe a yellow, right? Just like that. And then you can change their position. You can also add another shape if you'd like. If you want to position the shape in the foreground, you simply click on the position at the top and bring it to the front. And then you would simply change the color. For example, white. Let's use white. And in the white part, we're going to write our name or what our channel is about. Right here. You would simply add a text element then. For example, as a heading. And for the heading, you would type gaming. My name is Alex, and we are going to make a gaming channel logo. So I just typed Alex Gaming. And you would simply move it into the middle part. If it's too big, you simply reduce the size at the top by changing the font size. We can use 40, I believe. That would be great. 40 is great, I think. 40 would work well. Maybe a little bit smaller so that it fits in the middle part perfectly. Alex Gaming. If you don't like black, you can simply choose another color. For example, blue. Right? Alex Gaming, just like this. And right here we have our new logo that we can import in our YouTube channel. If you want to have a personal brand and make a picture of your face, for example, in your logo as well, you can simply upload a profile picture right here. On Canva, you upload a profile picture, insert it on your logo, and have your logo finalized just like this. This is, for example, a channel profile picture that we could use on our newly found YouTube channel. I believe it looks great. I'm not sure what you think about it, but I believe it's great. If you can add your picture or remove your picture just like you want. And then you would simply download once you are done. You download the new created logo on Canva. You wait a couple of seconds for the picture to be downloaded on your computer. Under the download file on your computer, simply you go back to your channel then, in your channel customization, under your channel dashboard, click on the change button under your profile picture, select the new logo, and here you have it. Our new logo for our new YouTube channel. Of course, you can adapt the size just like you would want. If you want a little bit more background, you can use the whole thing. If you want a little bit less background with your name a little bit more prominent, then you would reduce the size of the picture file at the end. And then click done at the bottom part, and there you will have a new channel logo for your YouTube channel. Quick and easy design with Canva. I hope you enjoyed this video with me today, guys. I hope you learned something new. Thank you for watching. Click right here to watch the next video with more YouTube tips for your YouTube channel, and I will see you there. Bye bye.